Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Metamask application for your Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Start off by tapping open your Play Store. The first thing to do in order to download Metamask on your Android is to make sure that your Android device is connected to an internet, of course. Connect to a stable internet connection and tap open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Metamask and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed at the very top. This one's the app we are looking for. Tap the install button to get the application downloaded right on your Android device. Wait for it to install, which will only take a while depending upon your internet speed. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet that interacts with the Ethereum network through software. It allows users to use a browser extension or a mobile app to access their Ethereum wallet, which can subsequently be used to interact with the decentralized applications. Once the application is downloaded, you should see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Give it a tap to launch the app open. That way, you can easily download Metamask on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more Metamask tutorial again. Thank you for watching.